Welcome to Project WET. Since the early 2000s, the water education team has been inviting Richmond students in grades 4 to 7 to get hands-on with one of our most vital resources, water.
And the map is basically going to outline how we're going to walk the kids around.
Each year, schools are invited to the city's works yard for an exciting half-day field trip. It's fun, interactive, and yes, the students do get wet.
We all have our safety vests on, yes? Yes. Great. Does anyone get wet today?
Through a series of stations, students explore how we manage water in Richmond, learning how clean water gets to their taps and where it goes afterward.
Now this is charged up at full pressure without having to turn the water main off.
There's a large boulder, or if there are utilities in the ground, we can't go through them. We have to go over.
What we're going to show you is how the water flows through the trucks. We have 4 minutes of water, not a lot. And if we run out of water, that's a problem. So we use a hydrant. We can take 75 psi and make it 3,000 psi.
So say we have like an earthquake or something and we need water to drink and there's no more pipes working in the ground. What do you think we need to do?
Emergency water.
That's right.
See that big pump that goes into the river? We can bring the water up from the river and we can turn it into fresh drinking water, even the ocean as well. That river water, it'll go through these filters and it'll filter all the debris. Then we send the water over to this buffering tank where we add a little bit of chlorine. Why do you think we want chlorine in the water supply? That's right.
Pressure reducing valve station. Shell.
Excellent. So we have 13 pressure reducing valve stations.
We can test to make sure that every part in here is working properly. We send water through these test cogs. Okay, so basically we're just moving around the water so that we can make sure that your drinking water is safe to drink.
What we do is we work on conserving water through residential metering. In the road, you guys have water mains. And so this is what our water main looks like. It's above ground, but in the road, it's actually underground. They're usually about 4 feet deep or even deeper. Every residential house in Richmond has a service that comes off it that looks like this. If you were to fill up this box, that's 1 cubic meter. Most homes in Richmond, they use anywhere between half of that to 1 a day. Sometimes when we have leaks, they'll use 16 or 17 of those in a day, and that's a lot of water to be wasting. So a couple things we do to conserve water is we offer a rain barrel program. So behind you guys is what our rain barrels look like, and they collect water from the drain spouts at your house.
I have a question for you guys though.
What?
Do you guys want to get wet?
Yeah!
Project WET brings science to life right where it happens. It's all about sparking curiosity and helping students understand the importance of clean, safe, and sustainable water. Thanks for joining us behind the scenes, where Richmond water meets future minds.